Hello everyone, see you again. Today is episode 2 of the 2005 Toyota Sienna camper conversion. Behind me, it's how do you do the shower, right? It's a shower just behind me. Let's look around. This is how this is set up here. Let's go to details. Basically, it's two normal shower curtain with a couple hangers. And you need it. You do the binder clip as well. I can show you in a second. The bottom bit is the binder clip. Click on your bumper. Okay, good. And that's okay. Good. Let's take one more look before we going inside. Okay, let's go inside there. And the rear is a two shower, two curtains, two shower curtains. You can kind of make it as a door, right? You open this up. You said today it's kind of windy, right? So and a couple additional trick you need to do, and I kind of explain to you the option over here. A second. I thought this is inside here. So if you sometimes in a windy situation like today, you could maybe fly out. You can use the binder clip. Do this way, so you won't be fly out. Same way here. So like this one, this is the fly out. The same way here. I got one additional binder clip. That's it. Right? Then after you have the privacy for taking a shower, then the next question is how can I actually take a shower? You can look at the top. The shower head. It's then this is a bucket with a 5-gallon bucket. So I'm going to show you. This bucket is very specialized. And it's normal bucket, but special the bucket lid. It's a water leak free. The gamma seal lid. I bought this from the Lowe's. You can buy the same product from Amazon, but it will cost you a double price. The $7 something in the Lowe's. In the Amazon, around $15 or $13. Then it comes with the not seal the lid, right? And then you need to hammer down into the normal and the 5-gallon and the bucket. Let's take a shower now. But again, the reason we have this one is to the water, no water leak when you driving. How I take a shower. Yeah. Remember, we need a privacy. I introduce each and the product, and I have the parts I have bought in the bottom of my list. That is over here. Only thing you need to do is turn this out. The power button. Right, sorry, coming down the water. So must be careful. This is not a good demo. So the water automatically. Then I kind of see how I can do it here. Right? So it's very perfect. I'm turn that off. The hand is back on. So you will see this kind of operation is not that perfect, right? That's why I don't like this one, but I think this is the best one I have. You have to turn on, turn off inside of the water. So this is not a perfect situation, but I think this is the best we can have so far. Good. How about the curtain? As you can, the standard shower curtain. The clip I have, just remember this kind of clip you have to buy. There's a dangle in and a hook, right? You don't want to buy something and fish through a hook. I put down the list of items that I have purchased so far. You also notice another this the water jar, right? Basically this one is for the drinking water if I need it. This is another special one, and I'm not sure I will use it or not, but I'm going to carry it in my trip. I come outside. Let's take another look outside. Now look at one more time. It looks like it's not such a windy situation now, so it looks like it's kind of perfect. Okay, the rescue is a spider clip. You really need that one. Hopefully today's episode able to help you out to do the planning on your the showering and the situation. Until then, I see you again.